the calf. The whale that was just
You know
at the
what?
surface.
The best
doing
time I
same
will capture
thing,
the
slapping
video.
its tail on the surface. That I think is the mother, and I think it's a whale named Shockwave.
ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കുന്ന ഫുള്ള് വീഡിയോ എടുത്തു.
Okay, what happened was the mother and the other whale were beneath the surface. They lunged through a school of fish that was very close to the surface. When they came up, the mouth was still open. You could see the baleen hanging down from the upper jaw. Even more importantly, even more impressively, you could see the grooves on the throat called
வீடியோ யாரும்
the
எடுக்காதீங்க, நான் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
still distended. Humpback whales, finback whales, and minke whales are baleen whales. They also belong to a group of whales called the rorquals. What it means to be a rorqual is that on the underside of their throat, or of their body, stretching the entire length from their lower jaw to just above the navel, there's that series of folds of skin or
நீ
grooves.
வருமா வராதா?
When the whale is feeding, it opens its mouth and lunges through the school of fish to completes its fan like completes an accordion, allowing the whale to take in a much greater volume of fish and seawater. It's then the muscles between the